Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be doing unboxing of this kind of things, mobiles, all kind of electronics things you can say. So today I'll be doing the unboxing of this TP-Link wireless nano USB adapter. This is basically used to connect to your wireless network in your PC or desktop. As you can see, this is 150 Mbps USB 2.0. You need not to worry, it will work both in USB 2.0 and USB 3.0, so that's not an issue. And you can see it's clearly written here, it's MRP 1149, and this is not true. Actually, I bought it through Flipkart and I bought it on just 450. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it quickly. I love this thing. Oh, I forgot to tell you that this is compatible in both Windows and Mac, and also Linux. Let's see what's inside. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, I'll check it later. Let's see what are the other things. And you're getting one user manual. That's the worthless thing, we all know that. And this is the CD you're getting. I think some drivers should be there. Right. Okay, let's go and connect it. So guys, I've connected the device and I've already installed the drivers. As you can see here, it's connected to my network. It's Wi-Fi zone, and let's open Flipkart. Okay, my internet speed is a little bit slow, so it's taking so much time, but yeah, it's working really fine and there's no problem regarding it. My net is a little bit slow. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. As this is my first video, please share, and thanks for watching.